Joints. The region where two or more bones meet is called a joint. We have different type of joints in our body. Some of them are movable, which helps in movement, and some are fixed joints. Some of the movable joints are hinge joint, ball and socket, pivot, and gliding. Hinge joints are like the hinges of the door that allows movement only in one direction. Examples of hinge joint are elbow and knee joint. Ball and socket. As the name suggests, one bone is ball shaped, another one is like the cup like cavity. This helps in the movement in all directions, like our shoulder and hip joints. Here you can see shoulder and hip joints, ball and socket, hinge joint, elbow and knees. Pivot joint is present between the first vertebra of our backbone, that is the atlas vertebra, which supports the skull. It allows our skull to rotate and move. You can try to look here and there, left to right, right to left. This is your pivot joint. Gliding joint. Gliding joints, they allow the bones to move only at the meeting point. It's like only the sliding movement. Joints of our backbone, wrist are examples of gliding joint. But some joints, the bones are fixed with each other and they do not move at all. Examples of skull joints are the fixed joints are the skull joints. All the joints in skull are fixed joint, and one is exceptional, that joint of lower jaw to the skull. There are two more terms, ligaments and tendon. The strong tissue that connect one bone to the another is called a ligament. That means bones are joined by strong tissue called a ligament, and tendons are the strong fiber tissue that connect muscles to the bones. Now we come to muscular system. Muscular system is responsible for movement of human body. As muscles are attached to bones, so along with bone they move, which help our body to make movement. Some muscles are of three different types: voluntary, involuntary and cardiac. The muscles which are under our control are called voluntary muscles. Muscles of our hands, legs means that we move by on our own, means the muscles which help us to lift the things, to walk, to run, to sit, stand. Involuntary muscles are the muscles that are not under our control, means that work goes on without our wish also. The muscles of respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system are involuntary muscle. Cardiac muscles are the muscles that make the heart. They are thick muscles, and heart is all muscular organ.